The M9 VR Smart Pistol is built for the Steam VR platform and works seamlessly with popular headsets like the Meta Quest 2, 3 and 3S, HTC Vive, and Pico 4 Ultra. If you don't own a VR headset, no worries. It features a secondary mode that lets you practice shooting using a projector or TV, making it versatile for both immersive gameplay and traditional target practice. Priced at $199, the M9 Smart Pistol brings realistic VR shooting to any setup. The GTPLAYER Simulator is a high-performance gaming chair crafted with a durable alloy steel frame, perfect for driving game fans seeking realism and comfort. With a 160-degree reclining backrest, you can find your ideal racing position, while Bluetooth-connected speakers surround you with immersive sound. It's fully compatible with popular racing controllers from Logitech, Thrustmaster, and others. For just $370, the GTPLAYER transforms your space into a personal racing cockpit. The BaldiePro electric shaver delivers a flawless shave in just 3 minutes. Powered by a 10,000 RPM motor and equipped with smooth shave technology and flexible heads, it effortlessly adapts to every contour. All this convenience and performance for just $60. The 8-bit D-Store offers a controller the size of an A4 sheet of paper, built for serious gamers who want standout design without compromising performance. With just 4 milliseconds of latency, it delivers lightning-fast response times. It features SOCD simultaneous opposing cardinal direction support, allowing advanced directional inputs, though this function can be disabled for tournament legality. It also includes a 3.5mm audio jack for headset support. Compatible with Xbox Series SX, Xbox One, and PC, this oversized powerhouse is available for $100. The ONNAIS Gun Safe blends the strength of alloy steel with the convenience of modern biometrics. It features a fingerprint scanner for quick access, along with a traditional combination lock for backup security. A steel security cable allows you to anchor the safe to a fixed object, adding an extra layer of protection. All this security comes at an affordable price, just $60. Taking care of your face has never been easier. In just 60 seconds, the Face Buffer Pro, a silicone-bristled vibrating brush, gently removes dirt, oil, and impurities, leaving your skin fresh and shine-free. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, and the 75-minute battery life means you're always ready for a quick refresh. All yours for $90. The Jovow store offers this 1.2 scale off-road RC monster built to conquer sand, mud, and rocks with ease. Control it using a classic remote, or switch to gesture mode for a hands-free driving experience. With up to 1 hour of runtime on a full charge, there's plenty of time to master your favorite control style. All this off-road fun is available for just $30. The Worx electric screwdriver blends convenience with smart design. It features a rotating chamber that holds 6 bits, allowing you to switch between them in seconds. No need to carry extra bits or tools. Its ergonomic one-handed design ensures comfort and ease of use, even in tight spaces. Plus, the long-lasting battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, so it's always ready when you are. Priced at just $35, it's a reliable, compact solution for everyday tasks. The Arabest W103. Automatic watch winder is the perfect solution for keeping your mechanical watches running smoothly. It features 2 rotating slots that maintain your timepieces by mimicking natural wrist movement. Housed in a sleek, stylish box, it looks just as good on a dresser as it does in a store display, combining elegance with practicality. Available for just $57, it's a must-have for any watch enthusiast. This LED baseball cap is a game changer for outdoor practicality. It features a built-in light with 3 brightness modes, 80, 35, and 15 lumens, illuminating up to 15 meters in the dark. Perfect for camping, jogging, or working at night. It offers up to 8 hours of runtime on the lowest setting. All that convenience comes at just $30. A smart upgrade to your everyday gear. The ATN-OTS-4T is a cutting-edge thermal monocular that elevates hunting and outdoor observation. It's the first digital monocular to offer over 16 hours of battery life on a single charge, an impressive feat for serious field use. With a detection range of up to 686 meters, it lets you spot targets at remarkable distances. An HD display and smart rangefinder add precision and clarity, making it an essential tool for discerning professionals and enthusiasts alike. Available for $1,046, it delivers performance and reliability in any condition. This sleek machine brings Nitro coffee to your kitchen, delivering a rich texture and creamy foam just like your favorite cafe. By combining cold brewing with nitrogen infusion, it unlocks deep, smooth flavor in every pour. The stylish mini keg with a rotating spout adds a touch of flair, turning every serving into a mini performance. All this barista-level experience for just $119. Who says miracles only happen in the movies? With this superhero gadget, any kid can feel like a hero. It shoots a thread up to 2.4 meters long, letting imagination soar. One charge powers nearly 20 days of superhero missions, making it more than just a toy. It's an adventure. All that fun for just $30. The Garmin Force Kraken isn't just a trolling motor, it's your smartest fishing partner. Delivering 45 kilograms of thrust, it propels your boat with strength while guiding it with pinpoint accuracy using GPS and attitude. Heading reference system AHRS. With wireless syncing to chart plotters, it offers seamless navigation and control, making fishing feel more like a strategic chess match, where you're always a few moves ahead. The Kraken is available for $3,900, a game changer for serious anglers. Beer pong is a game of precision and steady nerves. The goal: toss the ball into your opponent's cups. Each successful hit means they drink. The first team to lose all their cups loses the match. This set features 10 cup slots on each side, making it perfect for intense head-to-head competition. Get the party started for just $30.